as we announce the awards of academic excellence, which will be followed by the photography session and which will be followed by the conferring of the degrees later.
I would like to request our chief guest, Shri Bhatti Vikramarka, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, to present the prestigious awards to the students.
I was fortunate enough to be Vice President for my association, Indian Association of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics this year, and lot of our faculty who go and present papers who are not keynote lecturers also win best paper awards in their
moment, and it's a privilege for me to join you on this very special occasion. This year is particularly meaningful as the Army College of Dental Sciences celebrates its Silver Jubilee, 25 years of dedication to education, discipline and service to society. Today we gather not only to celebrate an institution's journey, but also the achievements of a new generation of healthcare professionals who will carry that legacy forward. For the graduating class of 2026, this convocation marks an important milestone. It signifies the successful completion of years of hard work, late nights of study, and countless hours of clinical training. But more importantly, it marks the beginning of a new chapter one where knowledge must now translate into service. Dentistry, like all branches of medicine, is not merely a profession. It is a public trust. Every patient who walks into your clinic comes not only with a medical need, but with faith in your judgment and compassion. With your skills, you will relieve a pain, restore confidence, and quite literally brings smiles back into people's lives. That responsibility should always be carried with humility, integrity, and empathy. I am particularly happy to see the large number of young women graduating today. And Dr. Mamta Kaushikji, Principal ACDS, and all the distinguished guests on the dais and off the dais, particularly the parents of the students, recipients of the degree certificate, and the media friends. Very good morning to all of you. In fact, Major General Ajay Mishra ji particularly asked the state government to make it a point to attend the program. And with lots of love and respect to Sri Ajay Mishra ji and this institution, though we have so many other engagements, he made it a point to attend this prestigious program, and particularly to the students who are taking the certificates today. Distinguished Chairman, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kaloji Narayan Rao University of Health Sciences, and the Principal of the Army College of Dental Sciences, and I thank particularly for inviting me for this occasion.